Hey everybody, it's Pradeep and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking all about sleep. Sleep is so important for our physical and mental health, but so many of us struggle with getting a good night's rest. One thing that can make a big difference is our diet. What we eat can actually have a huge impact on how well we sleep. It's true, you might not believe it, but some foods can actually help us fall asleep faster and sleep more soundly. In this video, we're going to dive into the fascinating connection between what we eat and how we sleep. We'll be covering foods that can help you catch those Z's, some sleep saboteurs you should avoid, and even some bedtime snacks for a more restful night. So if you're ready to unlock the secrets to better sleep, keep watching. Let's talk about foods to eat for better sleep. You know, I love talking about food, but I love it even more when it can help us improve our health. One of the key players in sleep regulation is a neurotransmitter called serotonin, which helps produce melatonin. Melatonin is like the sleep hormone. Think of it as the signal that tells your body it's time to wind down for the night. And guess what helps with melatonin production? Tryptophan. You might have heard of tryptophan around Thanksgiving because it's found in turkey. So yes, that post-Thanksgiving food coma might actually be from the tryptophan. But turkey isn't the only place to find this sleep-promoting amino acid. You can also get tryptophan from foods like chicken, fish, nuts, and seeds. Another important mineral for sleep is magnesium. Magnesium is a natural relaxant that can help quiet those racing thoughts and calm your mind before bed. Almonds, spinach, and dark chocolate are all great sources of magnesium. And then we have melatonin-rich foods. Yes, some foods naturally contain melatonin. Cherries, particularly tart cherry juice, are a good source of melatonin and have been shown to improve sleep quality. Other foods containing melatonin include walnuts, kiwi, and some fish like salmon. Now let's talk about some things that can really mess with your sleep. Caffeine and alcohol. I know, these are tough ones. But hear me out, caffeine is a stimulant. It wakes us up and makes us feel more alert. That's why we love our coffee or tea in the morning. But when consumed too late in the day, caffeine can seriously disrupt your sleep. It can keep you from falling asleep, cause restless sleep, and even make you wake up feeling groggy the next morning. We all know caffeine is in coffee, but it's also in tea, chocolate, and even some sodas. The half-life of caffeine is about 5 hours. That means it takes about 5 hours for your body to eliminate half of the caffeine you consumed. So if you have a cup of coffee at 4 p.m., half of that caffeine could still be in your system at 9 p.m., making it harder to fall asleep. Now let's talk about alcohol. While a glass of wine before bed might make you feel sleepy initially, alcohol actually disrupts your sleep cycle later in the night. You might fall asleep quickly, but you're more likely to wake up during the night and have a harder time falling back asleep. Alcohol can also reduce REM sleep, which is the stage of sleep where we dream and consolidate memories. You know, that important stuff. So while that nightcap might seem like a good idea at the time, it could be messing with your sleep quality more than you realize. Now let's talk about something a little more fun, bedtime snacks. Yes, you heard that right. A light snack before bed can actually help you sleep better, but the key here is light. We're not talking about a big meal right before bed. What you want is something that will satisfy your hunger without weighing you down or spiking your blood sugar. You know, that sugar rush that can keep you up. One of my favorite bedtime snacks is a banana with almond butter. Bananas are a good source of tryptophan and magnesium, and almond butter provides a bit of protein and healthy fats to keep you satisfied throughout the night. Another great option is a small bowl of oatmeal. Oatmeal is rich in complex carbohydrates, which can help increase serotonin production in the brain. For an extra boost, try adding some berries, which are a natural source of melatonin. Remember, the goal is to find something that works for you. Listen to your body and don't be afraid to experiment with different bedtime snacks until you find what helps you sleep your best. That's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new about how your diet can impact your sleep. Remember, getting enough sleep is crucial for our overall health and well-being. If you're struggling to get a good night's rest, try incorporating some of these tips into your routine. And hey, if you have any questions or want to share your favorite sleep tips, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on living a healthier life. Sweet dreams!